Hello dear students, let's start a new topic, electro refining of metals. This topic from chapter 6 of class 10th in subject chemistry. Let's open your chemistry book and come on the page number 124. Electro refining of metals. What is the electro refining? First, it is a process by which metal containing impurities are purified electrolytically to give a pure metals. So by using the electrolysis we can purify the metals from their impurities. That process is called electro refining. Now, electro refining of copper. As you know that copper is the most important metals. It is mainly used for the electric wire. It is mainly used for the formation of electric wire for electric transmissions. So if any impurities present in the copper wires, then it get reduce the electrical conductivity to a great extent. So copper must be absolutely pure, and copper made to pure by the methods of electro refining. So the electro refining of the copper, we can use the electrolyte, a solution of copper sulfate and dilute sulfuric acid, and we can use electrode such as cathode, thin strip of pure copper, and anode is used as a impure copper. So now here is the process of electro refining of copper metal. Now in this container we can second the copper sulfate solutions, acidified copper sulfate solutions, and a thick block of impure copper as a anode electrode, and a thin sheet of pure copper, as a cathode electrode. Now arrange this electrode in the copper sulfate solutions and connected through the wire with the battery. Now when the current passes through the electrolytes, that is the acidified solution of the copper sulfate, then the copper sulfate gets ionized, and the copper ions, which copper 2 plus ions, which have the positive charge, moves towards the cathodes and gain 2 electrons from the cathode electrode, and forms the copper metals which get deposited at the surface of the cathodes, which is made up of a thin sheet of pure copper. So the pure copper atoms get deposited at the cathodes. Now at the anode, which is made up of a thick block of impure copper, during electrolysis the anode gets ionized and it forms the copper 2 plus ions by losing their electron to the anode, and copper 2 plus ions goes into the solutions and they migrate towards the cathode electrodes and get deposited. So during electrolysis, gradually the anodes become thinner and cathode become thicker. thicker and thicker. And the copper deposited at the cathode on the cathode is about 99.9% pure. It's about 99.9% pure. So after the electrolysis is over, these strips are melted and transformed into desired shapes. Now some impurities get dissolved in the acid while others, namely silver and gold, which are insoluble and fall down near the anodes. Some impurities which present in the anode, impure coppers, present in the impure copper, such as silver and gold, that impurities which are insoluble, that fall down near the anode, and that impurity is called anode mud. That impurity is called the anode mud. So anode mud just fall down near the or below the anode, and that impurities can be recovered because it is insoluble in the electrolytes. Now electrolytic refining is used for the purification of a large number of metals such as silver, zinc, lead, mercury, etc. can be purified by the electrolytic refining methods. So this is all about the electro refining of copper.